nice because they're high. They're like this high, so the thing is overflowed.
In 1,000 feet,
But they're very
turn right
cheapy.
onto County.
Sinamahan ko lang si Tamimoy sa ano niya. Malayo pa kami sa city, pero ito pala yung araw na talaga yung adrenaline ko is talagang tumaas. Bumalik yung pagka-probinsyana ko na talaga yung Keep watching guys, muntik na makikita ng away. Sabi ko guys, ayaw ko nang magpunta sa city kasi nakaka-stress. O ngayon, bumalik, o diba? Just pay attention your drive, han.
Exit the highway at exit 16.
Mas lalong sumakit ulo ko dito. Nakaka-stress. Pero, yan, Jollibee is life. Charot.
Route
I
recalculation.
guess Jollibee is rice.
No, Jollibee is not a life. It's just one of our childhood. It's not even my childhood. It's just a Philippine thing. Because when I was a
In
child,
3/4 of a mile, exit the highway at exit 14. Then, take the next left.
we don't know what is Jollibee when we were a kid. Walang ka-idea talaga. Kasi ano, mga kalorks, walang pera. Ang mahal ng Jollibee, ano? Ang mayaman yung Jollibee sa Pinas. Lalo na mga taga-probinsya. Bakit naman bilhin ko ng Jollibee? Magbili na lang ako ng isda. God, ay, unya perito, unya sugba, unya tinula. Daghan pa'y makaon. Jollibee, can you open your window in my back, in my... Thank you. Basta talaga doon sa Pilipinas, yung mga bata pa kami, masaya na kami, palaka yung ulam. There's Costco here. Kabataan namin, hindi namin kilala yung Jollibee. Ang alam lang namin isda, tinapay, mag-farm. Lalo na ako kasi ako yung panganay. Hindi namin kilala yung Jollibee at yun yung masasabi ko talaga na hindi namin childhood na pagkain. Yung pagkain namin is chakoy.
This is New York City. Would never ever happen. She just be here until she grows old and dies.
My husband is yapping. Pay attention with your driving. Takot na ako dito.
Stop! Oh, stop! Oh, the brake! Stop!
Ano,
Oh, stop!
slow down.
Oh, slow down! Stop! Brake!
Okay, where are you gonna go?
Straight.
Straight.
Two lights. Make a left.
This is where the other guy, the guy in Greek movie.
No, he's uptown.
Okay. So you think I cannot drive here? Look.
You think you cannot drive here? I think you'd have a heart attack.
Yes.
You get nervous every time, and you know, in the city, people do crazy.
Cycle dito, guys. Ano siya, oh? Galit. Look, he's coming here.
Yeah.
He's coming here. Just behave yourself.
You almost fucking hit me, man. What the fuck is your
I
problem?
saw it. I didn't see you in the mirror.
You almost fucking hit me. Watch where the fuck you going, motherfucker.
I watch where I'm going. I didn't see you in the mirror.
You almost fucking hit me, motherfucker.
Watch this guy doesn't hit you now. Run.
Yeah, stupid. Yun yung mga taong nagmumotor at saka lumilipad, sila pa yung angas. Look at that guy. It's like this is how you live in the city, guys. There's like idiots everywhere. Did you hear that, guys? This is where you live in the city. Idiots. That guy over there. That guy in the motorcycle. Bumalik yung attitude ko, guys, na pagka-probinsyana na palaban, talagang hindi ko urungan. At saka yung lalaking yun, guys, may edad na, guys, nahirapan na nga maglakad. Simple lang yun, guys. Oy, sus, tatalon ako sa hood ng sasakyan at talunan ko yun. Kigwa na yun. He tried to punch you.
Onto Roosevelt Avenue.
If he did, then the door would have to open and I have to get out. That would go with that shit. This is why I was carrying a knife. Just because.
He tried to punch Tommy's face.
He didn't try to punch my face. If he was going to try and punch my face, I'm sitting right here.
He do like this, oh? He do like this.
Because he wanted to.
Yeah, he wanted to. Let's see.
But he didn't see me shaking, so he has to concern himself about that. People worry if you're not, like, backing away.
Yeah.
They worry what the you might do.
Shut the that guy. Honestly, I'm shaking, guys. I am shaking because I'm willing to jump also. Honestly, Han, I can jump and help you.
I'm going over to Angie.
Yeah, this is where we're going. Right here.
I'm going that way, but then
Yeah.
I gotta go. Come back this way, go this way, go to Angie.
Oh my god, guys, I am shaking, guys. I'm like, this is the first time happened since I'm with Tommy. I know it happened to Tommy a lot, but when he was younger, pero this time with him, that's the first time the guy stopped.
Bear left at the traffic light.
Makakita yun, may away niya, diba? Oh my god. Ang daming hala, there's a lot of Filipino here, guys. Guys, ang daming Filipino, guys. We're in Queens, guys. No, there's no Filipino. They're like, they're waiting for something. Yung adrenaline ko, guys, is really kicking right now. Like, I just, hello eh.
Parking's gonna be a problem now.
Yeah. Guys, ang daming Pilipino dito sa Queens. Grabe. Oh my God. Ang daming tao. Ang daming tao dito, guys. Ay, naku. Oh, ang daming tao. Oh, anyari na ngayon. I think this guy is waiting for the gate, so. Ha? Ay, ang daming tao. Grabe naman ite. Kapalagig Sunday talaga. Grabe ang tao. TV, oh. Ang lalaking-laking TV. Where you? They have Hawaiian. I'm not getting Hawaiian for me. I want... No. Only one from Brenda. You listen. Only one each. That's it. Listen. I'm the one who's getting eating, not you. Go. Huh? You're blocking the way. Ay, nako. How much? Okay, yeah. It's right here. Only get one.
Yeah, no.
One.
No.
Okay, pass it to me. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's go. Is this the same thing what you have?
Yes.
You sure? Why different brands, son?
No, they're the folders. There's different brands here. There's different brands.
There. Yeah, I know that.
16 for two.
This 8.
Same difference. 16
No, it's
for
not.
two. Yeah.
Look, oh.
Yeah. So for two, it's 16. It's two, 16. Yeah.
How many you getting?
4.
Serious? Okay. I know. It's not for you. I know. Hello, what is this? Hala, how much is that? 20 bucks? That's 20 bucks. How many pounds? No, because there's for the whole thing, all of them. Not for us. My husband. I'll get one for us. For a sugar high.
What?
Sugar high.
Well, you getting them pancakes? You getting them served to go with it?
Yeah. Yeah.
How many? One?
One.
So we split it?
Uy, that's it. Wala na si Tommy.
Take it to the next aisle.
Huh?
Take it to the next aisle.
And what are you hiding over there?
Oh, lemon juice.
Okay, hold on. How many you getting?
2 mayo.
Which tuna you're getting? This one, huh? And the chicken stick?
For 8, I know.
69.9.
Yeah.
Same thing.
I get 2 of those. No, it's not the same thing, though.
Okay, let me arrange this here first. How about the one? You don't want to use the other one?
What?
The one that for your tuna salad?
I might get one.
Okay. Is that the right one? That's not it, right? They changed the packaging.
Yeah, I get it. Right here. Yeah, 8 cans.
8 cans? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, the twin bag was 4 and 4.
Is that worth it? No, not really.
So it's what I'm saying.
That's the thing. There's no expiration. That's not good.
Fine. The potato plates, really? So,
How much is this? 15 bucks?
the right one?
Yes. Gabi na kami nakalabas. And then it's already 4 something na. Right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I was close to 5.
Huh?
I was close to 5.
Yeah. Ay, pag-ibig. The dog is crazy. They're gonna keep crying. Kung mo-overtake ka ni mo dong, magdali mo ha, magdali. Di mo magya-ya. Ya manoon. Kana siya o, kana siyang nauna o. Gi-overtaken ko, unya nagya-ya lang. Kigwahon ka dong, kigwahon. So yun guys, after groceries ha, sa Costco, ito na yung si Tami, busy na siya, nag-rearrange na siya sa kanyang mga mga pinimili, and then kakain na din kami. Look, busy oh. Happy with your Costco shopping? Yes, you are. Nah, that's your happiness. Yes, it is. Say bye-bye na because we're gonna end this vlog. Bye guys! Bye guys! Thank you guys so much for watching with our grocery shopping. Costco. It's a really short time. Very quick because it's already... Look, he doesn't say bye-bye na.
Bye, guys.